Hi, audience of Expert Channel. Again, we now meet Dua Stefan. She is present the Sharjah American University. She will talk about the university and the program of university first.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the invitation. We had an amazing time today. My name is Dua. I work for the American University of Sharjah. I'm coming from the admission office. I'm a student recruitment officer. I myself, I graduate from AUS. I did my bachelor, my master's, and if there is also a PhD, I will go for that. We do have, as you see here, 4 majors in AUS, 4 colleges in AUS. The College of Engineering, Architecture, Art and Design, Art and Science, and Business. If you would like to know more about our requirements, you can contact me, and you can check our contacts on our website. We are located in the United Arab Emirates, and we are an accredited university worldwide and also in UAE. So we're very happy to host you in our university, and thank you so much for your time and for the interview.
Thank you, Dua, for this presentation, short presentation, but we cover the specialist and majority what you teach in university, and she is it's a great university. My question about scholarship. Do you have any program for scholarship to students?
Yes. For the undergraduate programs, we have a lot of scholarships. So a part of them are based on the school, on the student grades in high school, which is the merit scholarship. It ranges between 10 to 30%. And we are offering also a financial grant for people who are struggling a little bit with the, with the financial situation of the family. So they can get up to 50%. We do have also sibling discount that can reach up to 25%. Chancellor award that can reach from 75 to 100% as well.
Okay. My question is a question about the sport at least student. As you know, the students who is achiever, good achiever in sport, you don't have enough time to make balance between education and sport. Do you have any special program, or you can consider that an exam or curriculum in your university?
We don't offer that, but we have a special scholarship for people who are into sports. It can reach up to 25%. In AUS, they're going to learn actually that how to multitask, to study at the same time. They have that social life and, being part of sports and so on and so forth. So this is the only thing that we are offering for sports in AUS. And we have a huge sports complex. I don't know if you know about that. We have our own swimming pool. We have our tennis court, we have our football field, and we have teams for the ladies and for the guys as well.
Okay. My question about related to you. Okay. My question about location. You have UAE, the location. You don't have any program online provided online.
No, unfortunately, we're not teaching anything online because the Ministry of Education in UAE, they will not accredit that. So it will not be accredited. And you don't want to study something that's not accredited. But at the end of the day, Qatar is very close to Sharjah. I mean, it's like 40 minutes to 1 hour flight. And almost the same culture. So.
Okay, that's a question about the strength point that push the students to carry to your university, not go to another. What's the strength point?
First of all, AUS is accredited everywhere. So if they want to continue their studies after their bachelor degree, they will be accepted anywhere in the world. We are also, we have good quality professors. We have a very high ranking in the,
How the rank?
QS ranking is 400.
400.
Yes, which is very good comparing to other universities. And we are offering an American system. You are located in Sharjah, so we have that kind of a balance. We're very open, at the same time you are located in Sharjah, so there is this, the print of the culture is still there. And Qatar and UAE are very close to each other. So if they want to visit their families, just like they can do that during the weekend. Yeah, and it's the same culture. So, yeah.
But what about the fees? Compare your university with other your fees by
yeah, so I did my own research about the universities here. We're almost the same prices. The Qatari riyal is like the dirham, so there's no you're not going to face any issue with the exchange rate when it comes to the fees. So our fees are 100,000 a year, riyal, or and so if that's without any scholarships. So imagine with the scholarships, it's going to be like way less than that. Yeah.
Okay, opposite question. What is the critical challenges faced the students who join
Our university. I always tell the students, it's very easy to get accepted in the American University of Sharjah, but you need to work so much to maintain and stay in AUS. Yeah. Yeah. No, not. It's kind of a challenge because some people, the new generation, they want things a little bit easy. But but at the end of the day, they are going to adapt and they are going to change. And I'm telling you this from an experience because I didn't want to join the university because I know it's very difficult, And I said, no, I will just join the first semester and then I'm going to drop. But here I am. I did my master's also in AUS. So thank you so much, Dr. Akram, for the interview. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you, Expert Channel, and we will see you soon next year. Inshallah. Thank you.
Thank you, Dara.